A BBC worker was allegedly raped during filming of Stacey Dooley's new TV show. The attacker is said to have forced himself on his victim after barging in on her. 1. A female BBC staffer was allegedly raped during the filming of Stacey Dooley's new TV cooking show Hungry for It. The incident took place during filming for Stacey's show Hungry for It. A source said, "It's terrifying that something like this was able to happen while working on a show." The attacker allegedly forced their way into the room she was in after knocking on the door, and once inside forced himself on her. It's rocked the entire crew and has made everyone really nervous. None of us ever thought something like this would happen when we signed our contracts to work on the show. It's sent shockwaves through the team, and many of us will never get over what has happened. I know it's made several of us think more carefully about how protected we are in this line of work. A BBC staff member emailed all crew on the show about the allegation. In it, they expressed their deep regret about a sexual allegation during production and warned staff not to say anything publicly. The alleged rape took place in September, when the BBC Three cooking show was being filmed in central London. The show involves 10 amateur chefs living together as they compete for a life-changing prize. City of London police said they were contacted by another force 9 days after the alleged attack. They added, "Inquiries are ongoing and no arrests have been made at this time. The female victim is currently being supported by specifically trained officers." The BBC declined to comment.